From this moment on, you will now be known as
ShopBack. ShopBack.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my room is a literal mess. My second and fourth nail dropped out and I just cannot explain. Terrible. So today I'm gonna bring you guys on my very first day of work, and what am I saying? Today I'm gonna bring you guys on one day in my life at work. Very pumped to film this video for you guys, and it's not just me who's pumped. In fact, Happy back here is even more freaking pumped than me. I'm actually a marketing campaign strategist intern at ShopBack. I know it sounds very heavy, like marketing campaign strategy. When there's the word strategy, everyone's like, I do a lot of marketing campaigns, and I do a lot of project management, and I actually do a lot of just analyzing. I don't know how to say it, but just analyzing things. Project management, basically just budget management, timeline management, and people management. These three very important skills, and just to really see a project from end to end. Let's go. Right now I'm on my way to work. I literally awaited Grab, but I decided, you know what, today I'm gonna wake up early, and no, I did not. I'm very late for work. It's 9:15 AM right now. Usually work starts at 9:15 AM, but at ShopBack it's pretty chill. You can arrive at 10 AM and it's okay, given that you do your work. Right now I actually have a book with me. It's Blitzscaling. I actually borrowed this from the ShopBack library. When I'm walking, I usually listen to a podcast, but when I'm on the train, I'll read my book. Right now I am waiting for my bus. It can be any bus, to be honest. I just need to take one bus stop. So this is the building where ShopBack is held at, which is block 77. So you can see that we are surrounded by all the other startups, because this is very near Fusionopolis and block 71. Basically, this is the place where a lot of Singapore's biggest startups start out or are housed at, which is freaking cool. Let's go grab coffee. So right now we're gonna go to Timbre, and that sounds very cool and everything, but I realized how expensive Timbre actually is. So ain't that cool? Also, a lot of people are staring at me and I'm really scared. Just to show you guys one of the days in my life where I really need coffee. So let's go. Oh my gosh, is that funny?
This space is for the poll, right?
Yeah.
So I just put like they're pointing to one option each.
Do you do this?
I did lah, but it's
Wow, it looks amazing.
actually a lot of my job is copy pasting.
No lah, it's like so talented. Yeah. The meme. Show them the meme.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I literally just upload lah.
It's so funny though.
Cherie's overreacting.
Dude, it's damn funny. Hey wait, you know right, you should put like one like zoom. Like
you can pretty share the ideas.
one of my managers gave me 2 insane tasks that I need to complete by today, so I'm gonna do it right now. Let's do it. Alright, sending emails, sending many emails. I need to read my emails like 5 times before I send every single email, which is insane. Everything's okay? Okay, can send. Whew.
Is that your last part?
No, that was one task. Now you do the next task, which is all about campaign stuff. Let's go.
A pantry tour.
Yeah, pantry tour.
My favorite snack is twisties and the seaweed and super ring.
Favorite snack is also the twisties and the cheese balls.
And sometimes when I'm craving something sweet, I'll like the Hello Panda.
Okay. Hey, you know that we're doing pantry tour, not your favorite food tour, right? Oh my goodness, in the morning it was all stacked up and now it's all gone. Okay. Chuling is still over here. We are over here already. Oh my gosh, there's a hammock also. Oh my goodness, my first time here, guys. I've been interning here for 3 months and I never knew. Okay, all the yoga mats are here apparently. And we have a lot more soft toys here, super cute fishball sticks. And then we have a hammock. This is a huge space to chill. And then there's 2 guitars. Can't see everyone else.
Do you want some tteokbokki nuts?
Not spicy.
Is that nice?
Oh, yeah. Then we always stay until then. Then the whole office is damn dark.
a.k.a. was also my NUS Business School senior. But you're not my OGL, right? Actually, you're just my senior. But then I don't know why I know a.k.a. So Marcus here is the BD intern from ShopBack Go. Okay, you wanna say a fun fact about yourself?
Oh, I still run my office before.
Yeah, he stayed overnight.
Oh, you're the one that the 4 a.m.
He's a 4 a.m. man.
dude.
Yeah. When he was born, right, it's a boy, it's a girl, it's a man. Legit.
Okay, so basically I have to set up deals, then also like analyze the deal mechanics, because apart from setting up deals, you also have to make sure that the deals are attractive enough for customers to buy. We have a shop in Shopee, on Shopee's platform, so I also handle like all the disputes data reconciliation on Shopee's end.
Amazing. Wow.
Hello, hi, it's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime right now and it's been a fast and furious day. Yeah.
We have something exciting coming up today.
I'm very nervous.
I'm okay lah, just now I typed the script.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, no, my favorite noodle store is closed. I got the laksa set. Alright, let's go. Hey, you wanna go? Very fun. Let's go. Hello friends.
Hi.
It feels so much more carefree outside the office, man. Well,
Okay, so today we're gonna read TikTokers.
I had to find a specific day in my life, right? Of a ShopBack intern that's like slightly more exciting and less serious. So today is the day. Yeah, today is a very, very hectic day, I'm not even gonna lie.
Story 3. We have a good 23 minutes to eat lunch and practice our script.
Amazing, I love this timeline. Dude, at ShopBack everything is just
A rush.
a rush, a mad rush.
Oh yeah, Cherie has a campaign to plan for and it's in 3 days.
It's in 3 days and today is a Thursday, so basically don't have time.
Ever since the day that you went away,
Everyone.
Oh wow, Chuling, easy for you to say. Chuling everyday bully me, very sad.
I never. Cherie bullied me.
Oh, that's new. Oh, there's a lot of cute bags. Oh my god, you managed to get this plush. Wait. You don't scare me. I don't get fired. You are pretty late for our meeting. Let's go. It's Sunday fun day as well, so we feature this every weekend. Yeah. Oh yeah. I just make videos for fun. Sick. Like, comment, subscribe. Mr. Rizaru here, king of transitions. Verified on TikTok. Musically got crowned. Oh yes.
Let's go, Brian.
Who was it?
I never seen anything.
To be honest, I don't have a girl in my life.
I need cover your screen. Yeah, that's why. Well, today I feel so accomplished there. Like, I vlogged, I did my work.
Let me show you some Polaroids that we took.
Oh my god. Today's a very packed day.
Today is exactly 6:30 p.m.
I have so much work to do. Oh my
and work
goodness.
has ended for me, so
No,
I'm going to snack.
I'm so like distraught right now and overwhelmed that I didn't do this much. You want to say hi to my video?
Hi! Boo!
It's a
Bad
day.
joke. Can you put a...
I didn't hear the joke at all. What's the joke?
Must put a 2.10 here. Like,
Now it's 6:42 p.m. Alright, back to work because it's a rush.
It's alright, cause no fights. To be honest, I don't wanna argue with someone I love. Getting mad at everything that I touch. I don't wanna fall in love, then feel it's too much. Falling in love when you're falling for trust.
Hope you guys enjoyed the day of my life video. Bye bye. Bye guys. See you.
ShopBack.